Thus, in this video, I'm going to explain about the ecosystem in Linux BSP development, especially for Automotive BSP. There are 4 players as for Automotive BSP ecosystem. The first player is Linux kernel community, and second one is SoC vendor, and third one is first tier company, and fourth one is OEM. The OEM is a car company, which includes BMW, Volkswagen, Benz, and GM. So, in order to understand the work process of BSP development, especially for automotive business, we have to understand the ecosystem of Linux BSP. The first player of Automotive Linux BSP is Linux kernel community. And Linux kernel community is maintaining the kernel version like mainline Linux kernel. And second version is stable kernel version. So we call stable Linux kernel version as LTS version. The second player of Automotive Linux BSP development is SoC vendor. Normally, SoC vendor choose the stable kernel version to add their device driver to control their IP. So IP stands for intellectual property, which is the basic unit of hardware module of the chipset. And then one thing you have to be aware of is that there are 4 types of BSP in automotive business. The first one is ADAS BSP, and second one is AV and infotainment BSP, and third one is telematics BSP, and fourth one is BSP4 MCU. So all these kind of BSP is depending on the feature of implemented or suggested by OEM. Right after SoC vendors implemented their BSP, and BSP package is sent to the first tier company. The first tier companies is including the Vector, Bosch, Harman, and those kind of companies is very strong innovator in automotive business. They are implementing the new features based on the request from the OEM. As sometimes OEM companies can collaborate with SoC vendor, sometimes they can directly collaborate with the SoC vendor, meaning that sometimes BSP package can be delivered to the OEM from SoC vendor. So this kind of process can be supervised by OEM. Anyway, right after the first tier companies finish developing the BSP component, such as ADAS, telematics, or infotainment system, and they release a software package to the OEM. Sometimes OEM car company can implement their device driver, their features, without the help of first-tier company. Sometimes OEM companies can have the collaboration with the third-party companies. So those 4 players is consisting of the ecosystem of Linux BSP development. And one of most important players of ecosystem Linux BSP is OEM. OEM can be supervising all of the features. They can control the schedule. They can control all of the features or specification of the product. So I think that it is important to come up with the features defined by OEM, and then many of the BSP engineer in SoC vendor and the first tier companies may have the conference call with the OEM. So this kind of weekly or monthly conference call with the OEM happens normally. So I guess it is important to collaborate with OEM when they need support, and they need any kind of support or some of the information about the new features. The SoC vendor, first-tier companies should collaborate and support the OEM companies in the conference call. Anyway, this is typical yeah, scenario where the ecosystem Linux BSP development. I hope that this material is helpful to you to understand the workflow or the process of your development. Anyway, thanks for watching this material. I hope to see you next time.